How to cancel order on Temu app. Canceling an order from Temu happens when you find a better option or to correct an error in the order, and here's how to do it. First things first, let's go ahead and open our U or our profile, and then we're going to open the orders. Here in the orders, you should be able to see it here. It has to be processing still in order for you to cancel it. I'm just going to go ahead and click the order, and then I'm going to scroll down. There is an option for me to cancel this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and then I'm going to click cancel the order. I'm going to select this item right here, and then I'm going to click next step. So there are different reasons here, so go ahead and choose which one applies to you. For example, I'm gonna try to choose this one here, found cheaper somewhere else, and then I'm going to click next step. All right, and then confirm cancellation. Alright, so as you can see, cancellation is in progress. You can just go ahead and wait for this one, and cancel should be done just like so. So you can go back here, and then you can see that your order has been canceled. So that is how it works, everybody. And yep, if you want to get a $100 coupon code, just go ahead and click the link in the description box and the comment section, or you can use our referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.